Hi, welcome back. In this video I want to talk about another use of the link tag. So here we have a link where the rel is shortcut icon, so we're creating a shortcut icon here. The type is image or PNG, so that we should be expecting the href file extension that's a PNG, and the href is image.png, and then we have a path here. So what this will do is this will actually set what you see up here, this icon, to be whatever we want it to be, whatever favicon we want it to be. And we really often call this a favicon, so maybe we should call this favicon. And it will set the shortcut icon, which will affect this, and also if the browser uses a shortcut link like you might have in Google. So you might have a shortcut link down here in Google. Then we'll see it there too. This is important because a lot of times the browser will search for favicon either way. So it will check your root directory and to see if you have one. And if you want it to be different for a specific page, or if you want it to have one, but you haven't named the one in your root directory, favicon .ico is generally what it will look for as the default. Then you'll want to set it within your page here. So this is another use of the link tag, and the link tag will actually be used for quite a lot of things, but here is another very common use.